Oh my gosh, guys, I want you guys to check this out. Look at this. Even Oprah has experienced gaslighting. What does that mean for the rest of us? We know that gaslighting is real every day. Women are dismissed in the exam room. Their symptoms not explained, not taken seriously. Women in particular are more vulnerable to gaslighting. And then you add being a minority, being of color, maybe being of lower income, and it just keeps adding up. Gaslighting is real. It's something that we all need to take seriously and change the medical system. What can you do? Well, remember, first of all, be your own advocate. Desire, search, and seek for answers. Don't be afraid to get second opinions if you have to. And most of all, ask your questions. Have those questions ready. Don't take no for an answer, and seek and advocate for your own health. Again, if Oprah's getting gaslit, we got a lot of work to do, guys, but hang in there. We're going to change this medical system.